Did you know the next target to clone human body on Mars are started? Practically our bodies aren't built for it. But what if we could change that? Join us as we explore the astounding possibility of genetically engineering ourselves to thrive on Mars. Let's examine how it's scientifically possible and the profound moral questions of rewriting the history of New Human for a new world. The sunlight is weaker, the air is thin, gravity feels like you're floating, and cosmic radiation is hitting you like invisible bullets. A normal human wouldn't last long here. But what if you were not a normal human at all? If humans ever want to call Mars home, we'll need upgrades. Not spacesuit upgrades, biological upgrades. And it all starts inside our DNA. You are waiting to know the things that are required to survive. Or live on Mars, let's discuss all one by one. Bone strength and muscle retention. Mars' gravity is just 1/3 of Earth's. Sounds fun until your bones start weakening like stale biscuits. Astronauts lose up to 1% of bone density every single month in microgravity. Now imagine living your entire life on Mars. Scientists are already studying a gene called LRP5. People with rare mutations in this gene have super dense bones, almost unbreakable compared to normal humans. Imagine editing future Martians with a boosted version of this gene. Your bones wouldn't just survive low gravity, they'd thrive. And for muscles, there's the MSTN gene, also called myostatin. When this gene is switched off, animals grow double the muscle mass naturally, no gym required. So a Martian human could walk out of the shuttle with strong bones and gravity-proof muscles. Basically, a low-gravity superhero. Radiation resistance. Here's the terrifying part of Mars. No thick atmosphere, no magnetic shield, just pure cosmic radiation. The kind that mutates cells, breaks DNA, and causes cancer. But nature has already created something incredible. A microscopic creature called the tardigrade. Tardigrades can survive boiling, freezing, vacuum, and radiation that would destroy us instantly. How? They have a protective protein called DSOP, damage suppressor. When scientists inserted this protein into human cells in a lab, the cells became 40% more resistant to DNA damage. Now imagine future Martians with built-in radiation armor. Not in the suit, but in their genes. It sounds like science fiction, but this experiment has already happened.
Oxygen efficiency.
Mars is basically the planet of no air. Its atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide and almost no oxygen. To survive that, we'd need lungs that behave like Himalayan superhumans. There's a real gene called EPAS1 found in Tibetan populations. It helps the body use oxygen more efficiently at high altitudes, where the air is thin. If we enhanced this gene, future Mars-born humans could take shallow breaths and still get enough oxygen to keep their brains awake. It wouldn't make them immortal, but it would make them adapted. So, could we really do this? Technically, yes, we're already experimenting on single genes in labs. Ethically and practically, that's where things get complicated. Editing entire humans, especially before birth, brings up huge questions. Who gets edited? Who decides what traits are allowed? And are these humans still fully human? But here's the twist. Every species that conquered a new environment had to evolve. The only difference now is that humans might evolve themselves. Imagine a future where Earth humans and Mars humans become two different branches of the same species. Stronger bones, powerful muscles, radiation-proof cells, and lungs built for thin air. A future where Martian doesn't just mean where you live, but who you are. So the real question isn't, can we genetically modify humans for Mars? We probably can. The real question is, are we ready to rewrite our species? just to survive on another world.